Guys, I'm sorry that it's live. I'm back with another stream. 30 minutes, no, 40 minutes late. It's on me. My bad, guys. I mean, I was some stuff happened, so I was outside. I drove to my to the crib with like 100 kilometers per hour just to catch the stream, but I'm still late. Sorry, everyone. I hope you like me. I hope you don't. I apologize, guys. I apologize. What's going on? I still have. Oh my God! Look at this. I still have the map on my like Google Maps trying to show me the way. I was just rushing so hard to catch the stream, but we made it. We made it. Hey Adam, what's going on? Guys, give me a second, alright? 1 second. Opinions on the new Linkin Park album. It's shit, man. Like, to be honest, the first 2 tracks, the Heavy of the Crown and the Emptiness Machine, they're good. They're nice, but the rest is trash, dude. There's one song that I like, which is 1 second, what was the name? Good Things Go. That one is good. Emptiness Machine. And what was the other one? Heavy is the Crown. Those are the 3 songs. I listened to the whole album today. And no, that's just bad, dude. I don't like it. What do you think? Did you like it or not? For me, it felt like first 3 tracks, or like first 2 tracks, they're in the old Linkin Park style, but the rest is like I felt like they tried something new and it didn't work. I don't know, man. I didn't like it. Guys, 1 second, alright. I gotta do something real quick and I'll be back. What do you think, Adam? Did you like it or what? I couldn't do some things because I was driving, and now I need to do it. 1 second, everybody. I'm really sorry. I had very mixed feelings about Emily at first, but now I think she's good, to be honest, technically. LP always tried something new with their every album. We should let them cook. Yeah, I mean, I agree, but I don't like it that much. Maybe if they experiment a bit more, they can come up with something. But for me, maybe I need to re-listen, dude. Yeah, let me listen to it again. Let me listen to it again. By the way, Linkin Park is my favorite rock group of all time, like alternative rock or whatever that is called, like the rap rock thing. Like it's super good. I love them. So I have no bias whatsoever. I don't have very high expectations as well. But yeah, I need to re-listen. You're right. Yeah, I'll re-listen and let you know. Yeah, Linkin Park is great, man. Okay. Like, it's called nu metal. Okay. Yeah, you're right. New metal. Right. I'm not a like huge new metal fan. I'm more like, I like rap and all. So Linkin Park is just a very good mix of rock elements and also rap. For me, I like them. My first ever, like, I think the first ever song that, or like, I remember Meteora from my childhood, to be honest. It was just one of the good memories that I have. Like we had the CD and I was playing that in the car, and then it was amazing times. So let me cook. All right, let me cook. I just started live stream very late, so I want to cook now. I hope everything is working, by the way. Mike Shinura solo stuff is also good. Check out post traumatic. Yeah, I actually checked them out like a year ago or something, and I really like one or two songs from that album. But yeah, good stuff, man. If it was not copyrighted, I would play it, but it's copyrighted. All right. First LP song I've ever heard was Numb. Numb is just something else, dude. My favorite one is actually Faint, and I have it in my playlist, and I listen to it like not daily, but I just keep coming back to that song, to be honest. I love it. It's one of the best songs ever, I think. I don't know why. It's just, I don't know, I like it. I like the drums in that, and I like the samples and everything. So guys, what are we doing? I'm gonna just start cooking, alright? What we're creating today is called a N-curses, or what is it called? What's wrong with my terminal, by the way? Oh my god, what's going on? Oh, I think I have the... Okay, now it is fixed. So, let me Ratatui config, make the font size bigger so you don't suffer. Also, while I remember it, let me enable dark reader. No, it wasn't Starship, it was actually the background image. When I like share it, like not share it, but like change the layout to this layout where I have two monitors, it starts to act up the background thing, the fe, you know, the good old fe starts to act up. So yeah, but did you see my shell? I think it looks really nice now. This is how it looks like, and for example here, look, it looks like this. So yeah, what we're doing today, like I said, we're gonna do some N-curses. What is it called again? Pinentry and curses. Pinentry curses. So this is a little tool that allows you to show prompts, and I want to show you how it looks like. How can I actually use it? Test Pinentry curses. So Pinentry is a set of tools that provides prompts, and I should be able to just run this and get a prompt, I think. Or how can I run it actually? Looks fire, but mine is better. What is yours? Send a screenshot to Discord, maybe. I'm curious now. Okay, so curses, Pinentry curses, pin or passphrase entry dialog for GNU PG, but I don't like the, well, the current one is super simple, like there's just dialogue, but I want to actually launch it somehow. How can I do it? Do I have to sign something to be able to test it? Pinentry usage, how can I actually... I want to like run this and get an arbitrary dialogue and just... Oh, what is this? A peek inside Pinentry? Yeah, this is how it looks like. All right, there we go. The help flag did not, okay. Pinentry uses a text-based protocol called the ASUIN. ASUIN. Of course, this is a very legacy-looking thing again. It developed for the GNU PG project, not surprised. Very simple. You have a client and server communicating generally through a pipe or a Unix socket. Each message is composed of a command and parameters. Okay, quit, reset. So pinentry cursors help. Okay. These are 3 documented actions you can perform which actually display a prompt. They are get pin, confirm, and message. So get pin, and there we go. We got the prompt, and this is how it looks like. It's super simple. Okay, I'll check your prompt, Adam. And confirm, no, message. We can do better. Pinentry also has a set of documented configuration commands. These are outlined in much more detail in the info documentation. Oh, okay, so set title. Let's try this actually. So set title test. And what was the other one that I used? Get pin. Get pin. Yeah. Where's the title? Confirm. Confirm test. I don't know how it looks like. It's super... It's kind of a... Yeah, I would expect to have something like... You run basically... Okay, how can I exit this thing actually? Quit? Okay, I just closed Zelish. I would expect something like... Curses... no. Pinentry... Curses and then some parameter and then... like the title and so on, but it works like there's this protocol where you need to know the commands and you set title to something and then like, yeah, okay, you see. You set description, set title. This is a good blog post actually, this is quite insightful. Set title, this is a window, set OK. So get pin. Oh, get pin. Set description. Get pin. Okay, now that worked, and we have the description there. Okay. Writing our client. That's great. Well, at least we don't want to manual control. Actually, we don't want to write a client. Sorry, we want to write a server for this. Okay. I wonder if there's any pinentry crates. Pinentry is ancient, yeah man. API for interacting with pinentry binaries. Rust wrapper for calling pinentry to get secure password input. I already checked this one and this is not like a server. This is actually calling pinentry as well, I think. Alright, so... Well, I don't want to write a pinentry server. I want to write a TUI that looks similar to the pinentry prompt, and then maybe I can write a server. But I'm actually interested in the part where we need to write this very nice looking TUI. So that's what I want to do right now. And I think with this context we can just go ahead. Alright, so there isn't much there. There's also pinentry TTY. What you're looking for is pinentry agent. Pinentry agent. Isn't that the same thing as the server? I think, do you mean like a, is there a crate for that? I don't think so. I don't think anybody did like a pinentry agent or server implementation, dude. Yeah, there isn't anything like that. So guys, let's forget about pinentry, alright? I want to create a prompt first, and then if I like it, and if I want to use it, I probably will. We can try to write the pinentry thing. But for now, I think we can create a new project. I'm gonna call it, so the other one called pinentry curses, I'm gonna call this pinentry Ratatui. Alright. We're gonna, where is it? Pinentry Ratatui. We're gonna actually, let me create a new tab. Where's my new tab? Am I in Zelish right now? No. Where's my Zelish? Alright, now we have Zelish. I don't know why I didn't have the Zelish before. But yeah. So I'm gonna show you what I want to do. There is a nice prompt in Glim that that I want to get inspired from, and this actually looks like, let me pull the changes. I can probably run it now. This prompt is quite nice. There's like an animations going on there, and I want to like have this thing as my prompt when I want to sign commits. Like imagine you run the git commit command, and then you get like a very nice effectful, yeah, I just made that word up, effectful or animated thing. That would be quite nice. Alright, 1 second, I'm gonna check my Discord real quick. I wanna see Adam's Zelish config. Not Zelish, sorry, it's Starship. Right, you sent the neofetch? Or nice prompt, man. Nice prompt. You have a lot of directories in there though. Is this Starship? Yes, so. Being transistor. Alright, what happened? So when you run this, you see this thing, but I actually want to clear the how do I clear the credentials from this? Where is the config file? Where's the config? I need to delete the config file without exposing my API key, because I think I have my API key in there. Or maybe it's encrypted, I don't know. So Glim Toml, where is it? It's not Starship, it's my ZSH. Okay, see. What's up, man? Transistoric. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm like, guys, there's a good reason why I was late, okay? I was grinding. First of all, I have my excuses. Alright, listen to me. I have my excuses. I was grinding in a whole different realm. I was not grinding on the computer. It's like a like a grind on another dimension, alright? I basically had a date, so. Almost pushed my GitHub API key to NVRS. Don't. You know what? Let me show you something. What I do for the NV checker thing is I have my key in this API key crypt file, and this is crypted with git crypt. I don't know if you know about git crypt, you probably know. And I have this key file thing, and then I can push this file because it's encrypted with GNU PG, and it works fine. So yeah. Okay, sorry for just mentioning the thing that you already know. Where's my Glim config? I need to remove that now. Where's Glim? Default config path. Yeah, key file stuff is nice, man. Yeah, that would be nice. If I can just use NVRS as the drop-in replacement for MV checker, that would be fucking great. I'll send you money for that. You gotta sell me hard to keep that Patreon money, man. Alright, I was having dinner with who? I don't know. I need to lie now. Okay, I won't lie, okay. Man, Alright, let me just continue. Never mind. Transistoric. I'm just so sorry, man. Do you want, like... Okay, I'll send you Ratatui stickers. How about that? I got Ratatui stickers. I got stickers, alright? I can send them to you. Give me your address. You'll have like a box of stickers tomorrow in the morning. The UPS delivery guys are fast these days, so got you, man, don't worry. What am I doing? I totally forget, like, args config, default config path. Where is my config for this thing? Where is, like, I think this uses confi, right? Confi, I don't know how confi works. Adam, let me know your address, man. I got you. I'll hook you up with some Ratatouille stickers. I got you. Use any other sources than GitHub and GitLab? Let me check. I don't think so. Where's the default path? Configuration management. In many applications, there are... Alright, so... Okay, it takes care of the config stuff, but where does it actually save the config? That's what I'm curious about right now. Is it under... It should be under, like, config, right? Config, Glim, yeah, Glim toml. There you go. Delete that. Now we should have the prompt. Okay, sending my home address in chat. That was easy, but I got you, don't worry. Alright, there we go. The prompt. This is what I want to do. So this is the input field, and I don't know if you saw the... Yeah. Nice. So yeah, I just want to have that in pinentry Ratatouille. So how does it work? I need to read the code a bit. UI. Let's figure that out. There we go. We got the config. NovFX. Open window. Alright, window FX. Alright, where's the window FX being defined? Open window FX. Let's see. Alright, this is the effect, the shader implementation. I'm assuming you live in Poland. This you could send it in a bundled package or something. That will be convenient. But I will put some special stuff in the package for you guys, so it should be separate. Some merch. So, because the shipping fee is gonna be through the roof. Well, if I pay like 50 bucks for just one sticker for shipping, that would be crazy. But where's the actual like animation? Actually, I'm a bit. I want to see that. So open window process, parent window FX. All right. How do you define that? Open window builder default. So many layers in this application. I need to read the architecture file or whatever to understand what's going on here. It's a bit hard, but I can probably figure it out by just searching for the imports. Widget notification. A glitch. Make glitch effect. Open project details. No. I want to. What was it? Config pop-up. So this one uses config pop-up. Where is it? It's super hard to find where this happens. Notification effect, not that one. Maybe I can figure it out from the... So I think it's running two separate effects here. One for the pop-up and the other one for the background. I feel like that. So they're like, it's like modularized a bit, I think. This config pop-up and maybe there's some background thing, I don't know. Maybe it's in just FX. Okay, animates and fades in a window from the specified background color. So this is the effect. I love how the code is like super documented, by the way. It's really good stuff. Okay, so this is open window and this is the window. Okay, what happens if I remove this? I think this is the place that we should look into. Let me check the stream on my... Yeah, I feel like that did something. Yeah, okay. Is this stream freezing? Because my computer is like doing so many Rust analyzer stuff as of now. I hope it's not freezing, but if it's freezing, let me know. All right, so these are the effects. Window open effects running parallel, window borders, title and shortcuts, and window content area. Okay, so we can probably just recreate the cursors thing. So I think it was prompt, or what was the command? Where is it? Get pin. So get pin. Okay, it's good to know that stream is good. So I'm gonna just recreate this thing, right? What we're gonna do is basically add Ratatui. Add Tui text area. And also TachyonFX. What I'm gonna do is just gonna... Do we need async for this? No. What I can do is simply create an app struct. Or do we need that actually? Okay, let's have it here. Or let's just keep it simple for now. So let's terminal Ratatouille init. Oh, okay, maybe I can add anyhow to here again, because I don't want to handle the errors myself. Just gonna convert them to anyhow errors and return that from main. And at the end, Ratatouille restore. And in a loop, in an endless loop, let's do something like terminal draw, and it's gonna give us a frame. We're gonna draw in here, and here I'm gonna pull for new events, something like event Ratatouille cross term event read, and then I'm gonna convert it to input from text area, so something like this. Maybe this shouldn't be mutable, and then match on event key. And what is the structure for that? I don't remember. So key, if it's key char q break, also key. Oh, okay, maybe I can do. Hey Junk Dog, how's it going, man? By the way, Junk Dog is the creator of TachyonFX, so really big name right now in the chat. How's it going? I feel very I feel honored by your existence, sir. So welcome. How's it going? I was 40 minutes late for the stream, so if you waited there a bit, I'm sorry. I have a good excuse for that, but it doesn't change the fact that I was late. Sorry once again. So if I run this, he's a big name. He is. Alright, so we have a TUI now. Well, we have nothing, but it's gonna become a TUI soon. So I'm gonna make it very similar to this. So this is actually pretty basic. Like, this is just a block. And yeah, I'm gonna steal some code from my Ratatouille workshop, because I already wrote some parts in there. For example, the pop-up stuff, I'm just gonna copy over. I think it was in, hold on. One of my cats is watching too, that's good to know. I'll try to write proper Rust now because your cat is watching. That's very important. Where's my code actually? It's on the spoilers branch. So it's in UI. No, it's in pop-up actually. One second, guys. I don't want to write the same code. So just going to copy this thing over, or maybe I don't know. I'm just gonna copy this over. So pop-up area just creates a centered rectangle. So it'll help us to get this little box on the center of the screen. And it looks like this, I think. Okay, area. And if I do something like frame render widget and just a block, maybe bordered. Let's run it now. Yeah, we have the thing, but it's quite big actually. I want to make this thing a bit smaller so we can have 20. I don't know. No, this is the wrong parameter. This is close. This should be 40 maybe. Well, let me run this thing again to compare. So this is a bit bigger than this one, but it's fine. I think it's fine. So what's next? Let's add the text area. I have the code somewhere in here, just very simple. This create text area thing. And can I mask the input? Mask character. Yeah, I'm gonna use this because it will be a password, passphrase, whatever. It's not the same thing. I guess passphrase and password are not the same thing. There was some confusion a couple of years ago about that. Man, I felt like I didn't drink water for 20 years. Alright, let's render it, I guess. But I actually want to be able to type in. So we're gonna do something like text area, create text area, text area. What was it? Input. Okay, input. Actually, I need to get the raw stream. Oh, did that work? Okay. Okay, sure. So I didn't render it yet. Let me render. So how do they do it? Get pin. Is it like it's on the first line? So I can do something like input area and rest and layout horizontal, and constraints will be just max 1. Thanks, John. He says have a good stream, in case you don't know Turkish. And we got the not the split, but it should be areas. Now we should be able to render. Is it like mutable? No, okay, cool. Let's try this out. Okay, there's no... no, it's actually max 3. Oh, I'm splitting... No, it's actually... What's going on? Horizontal text area. Oh, there's no block around it, I guess. Just realized I shouldn't handle the Q because I want to be able to type Q. Horizontal. Is it true? I think it's... Let me render something on the rest of this area to understand what's going on. Because I'm not sure if I did that thing right. I don't think so. What? What's going on? That's frame area. Okay. It should be minimum 3. Okay, and it should be vertical. Just realized that. I don't know why I'm I'm just mixing up vertical and horizontal for some reason. I don't know. Okay. By the way, did you guys like the video that I shared today? Should I do it more or should I just quit? I mean the book review. I don't know who will watch that, but I put some effort into it and I like it, so I just shared it and it should be fine. So we got the text area, but it's not very good. There should be a padding here, so margin, padding. What was the function for that? Matting? No, not matting, but margin. It's one state too many. I mix up booleans all the time. Yeah. What was the video about? It's about a book review. If you go to my channel... Oh, inner, you're right. I think. 1 second. Alright, right. We should really make this thing more... like, easier to remember, you know? It's a bit hard right now. So margin... add the margin. The video was about a book review. Go to my channel, it's the latest video. I don't know. I need some commands, like I need some feedback on that because I want to make that thing a series, maybe like a series called Touching Grass or something like that, but not really sure. So we are able to type now, but there's no block, so I need to set block bordered, and I don't want to render that. Okay, get pin. I mean, doesn't look very similar, but I can just add the text to that, and I think it's fine for now. More book reviews, please. Of course, I got you. All right, so I want to... Sorry guys, I'm a bit distracted. I want to render a label maybe, because I want to select these two, but I don't want to make the labels... I don't want to make the labels selectable or like interactive as of now. I want to add them, and then later on I can make them interactive. I want to just do the effect, like the animation stuff, actually, because we have the author of the library in the chat. Hopefully, I hope he didn't like leave the stream. I hope he's still here. And while he is here, I want to try out the effects. So yeah. So label. Let's do something very basic actually. So this thing has get pin, okay, and cancel. I keep like forgetting your name. I remember your last name, Junk Dog, but I keep Adrian. Your last name is Papari, but 1 second. Yeah, Adrian. Okay, got you, man. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna make this thing a bit similar to the pinentry, and we can just go ahead with the experimentation of TachyonFX. Adrian, okay, got you. So input area and rest, you should like render it like that. Let me run again. I mean, it doesn't look that good. Is there I'm wondering, is there like a way to align this on the right maybe? There is actually, you can probably do it with paragraph. So paragraph, new, and then alignment. There's no paragraph imported, so import that. Align, right aligned. Okay, thank you, Ratatouille. Run it again. Okay, it's better, it's fine. But what I can do is actually have 2 paragraphs like this. So okay, and cancel. This will be left aligned and the other one is right aligned. It's doable. Good enough. Just for the demonstration purposes, I think it's good enough. Maybe I can also do something like inner margin, and then it should be horizontal, and horizontal, I don't know, 3. And also on this one too, we're gonna do it, sorry, inner and margin also 3. Okay, let's try it now. It's better. It's better. I think we have everything that we need now. We have the prompt. We have the text input. Now let's make it more shiny. So Adrian, what I want to do is, I like this animation that you have in Glim. I modified it a bit. Let me take that back. Let me run it again. So when you run it, there's this little like config prompt, right? And I want to like have something similar to that. I looked into the code a bit, but I think I found where you render the animation, but it's a bit like the architecture. I'm not really familiar with the architecture of the project, so I need to I probably need to re-implement this. Like I cannot reuse your code. Actually, it's better if you re-implement it. So I'm gonna take a look at some documentation and also the minimal example and have something cool in there. Just something like, you know, the you know, the fade in animation. I like that. Also, I like what you did with the background color and the text and everything, so I might steal some ideas from that as well. We're just experimenting, man. But it would be nice if you can just tell me the names of the animations that you use in there. I guess you use like fade in. I'm not sure. Just let me know what you think. That code can be a bit messy too. I think I looked into the FX module. But yeah. So what I realized is I want to have better borders. This border type will do it. So if I go here, if I go into this block border thing and set the border type rounded, it will look better. Don't you guys think animations are a bit speed killer? It is, but I think they're nice at the same time. When I shared that, when I shared about TachyonFX or maybe some other app on socials, some people also said that. Some people actually didn't like it, like because it takes time to load. But I think in specific use cases, it's super nice. For this one, I don't need speed. And I don't think having an animation does not really have anything to do with the event loop. So you probably can still type in stuff while animation is being rendered. So you can just type in and while the animation is running, and then it will just work fine. You know what I'm saying? So should be fine. And we're just experimenting here. So I found this code, fade from and sequence and so on. So we can maybe do something similar to that. Let me pull up the simple example of TachyonFX actually. I'm gonna have it on another tab here. I have like 3 tabs now. Wow. All right, so I'm on the development branch. What are the available branches? So git checkout main, pull that. No, not that. Git pull. CPU overhead is actually surprisingly low. Most of my TUI stuff never registers more than 1% CPU. Yeah, I mean, for me it's the same. I mean, there's no like visible or like noticeable change in the speed. It's a bit like, yeah, it's probably Rust and like it depends on how you designed your app basically. But it's super fast, so shouldn't be a problem. Okay, origin main. That's not actually the branch that I. Okay, upstream main. What? Rebase, I guess. I don't know why. What the hell is going on, dude? No, rebase aborts. I'm gonna just check out to upstream main, and I guess we can take a look at the minimal example from here. I'm gonna pull it up to this NeoVim over there. So examples minimal. Where's the minimal? Guys, what happened to the minimal? Okay, basic effects. There was a minimal example. What happened to it, Adri? Am I blind? Okay, there you go. I don't know which branch did I just check out, but this doesn't have the minimal example. I guess I need to check out the development. Yeah, okay. All right, let's do that. Upstream development. Is there we pulled? Okay, sorry. I thought it was on main. Sorry. Minimal. There you go. So let's define the effects. So what I don't quite understand, or like it takes a bit of time to figure out which effects they use. So I'm gonna check out to check the documentation for TachyonFX real quick. It would help greatly if there was like a effect showcase or something like that. I can probably run the example, by the way. You need to pull the branch to look like an old commit. Hold on. Yeah. Man, what's going on with my Git stuff? I want to actually just check out the latest commit. I just want that, alright? Just to be safe. Just to be safe. What is going on? Okay, you know what? Just gonna use GitHub UI. Just gonna use that. I don't want to lose time by just figuring out Git stuff. I can always figure that out later. Alright, so builder pattern, or we can just construct things like this. Let me actually just copy paste this thing first. Let's construct it. You have to specify the remote for the poll. Okay, FX direction. There's what? Actually, I'm just gonna import everything. Alright. Color dark gray. Why not? And to render this effect, you basically need to just call render. Render effect, right? Render effect. It should happen after the actual draw. And okay, so this will work, but this will block the event loop, so we won't see any effects rendering until we press some keys. And I want to unblock the event loop by reading the event continuously, which happens with the poll, I think. And yeah, we're gonna do something like if Ratatui cross-term event poll and duration millisecond. One second. What's going on with my Copilot? And then yeah, just move that thing in there. Well, something like this. And duration is imported from TachyonFX, so we gotta import the duration from std duration. Okay, this should work. And now we'll see the effect rendering. So how can I make this thing better? I want to let's take a look at what we want to do here. So if I run glim, which I cannot for okay, what's going on? Okay, so when I run this, I see like fade in effect, right? And what I don't understand about this code is there's this duration, right? This render effect duration. And there's also this timer thing. So I cannot really wrap my head around which one to change to make the effect faster or slower. It's a bit unclear to me. That's what I don't understand, first of all. And the second of all, how can I use like a transparent, or like how can I make this thing look better? That's my question. I don't want to use dark gray. I think instead of, what do you use here? Fade from. Alright, fade from, sweep in. Let me actually copy this, I'm a bit curious now. So what are the background stuff in there? Open the window effects, and it takes the color. It says dark. So the timer is the total duration for the timers. When you pass a duration to render, it should be elapsed since the last frame. Oh, I see. So, to make the effect faster, I can just reduce the time, like the duration value on that, I think, yeah. I just spent 10 minutes refactoring my code because I thought GitLab's latest release API only returns an URL to the latest release. Turns out I'm wrong. Wait, what do you mean? What does it return then? Okay, to be honest with you, I like the coalescence, how do I... It's hard guys, okay, it's hard. I'm not a native speaker, so I get a coalesce. I like the coalesce effect. Let me run it again. I need to make it faster, so what do? The first parameter in there is a timer. So if I make this thing 50, it will be faster, right? Wait, is it slower? Wait, why did it render faster when I increased the duration? How about this one here? I'm a bit confused actually. So you need to track the millisecond time between frames and pass that value when you render the effect. Okay, so do I need to do that, or can I just have a static, like just arbitrary value? Why is it important for the effect render to know that? It's a bit slow. Okay. I wanted to take a look at some other effects. Actually, maybe this would be enough. I don't know. It's a bit still a bit slow though. All effects go from 0.0 and 1 based on remaining duration, total duration. So for smooth animations, you want the render loop to tick at a steady rate. Yeah, I see. Okay. So if I do like 16, that should be 30 FPS. And, or sorry, 60 probably, I don't know. And just increase this value maybe. I'm just trying and seeing if which one works better. How about I make this thing very high? That was satisfying. You also need to change the duration from milliseconds to 100. Okay, so I changed that to 16 too, I guess. That's super satisfying for some reason, man. Okay, so right now it's the same. Nice, I get it. I think I got it. Okay, thanks for the explanation. It's just the last tick. So right now I'm reading the events every 60 milliseconds and also rendering the events every 60 milliseconds. So it's quite nice. All right. I want to have maybe sweep in thing. Let me try to have it rendered here. Oh, okay, FX direction. This should be FX. Wait, what do you think about these clashing type names? Are you planning to kind of rename them, or like are you okay with clashing them with the Ratatui stuff? What do you think? Just curious. What is quad out? Is this something? Okay, maybe I should stick to the minimal template, minimal example. Interpolation. So interpolation. Bit. Okay, maybe this will work. Interpolation. Okay, let's see. That was satisfying. It's actually quite easy to combine these effects. Very nice stuff, man. I should change it, especially since Ratatouille is the only target. Yeah, it would be nice to change it. Any recommendations about making this better? Like, I see that or maybe I can do something like select an effect from a random list of effects, and every time you run this, just play something new. That would be nice. And yeah, why is it like yellow? Like this? Is this coming from? Okay, is this the gray? Is this because of the gray? Make it blue. And what are these parameters actually? Gradient, length, randomness. Okay, maybe make it super random. I don't know. Oh my god. That was crazy. I'm just gonna disable the other one for now. Okay, Make it 20 and gradient length, make it 50. I don't know, we're just trying, just experimenting. That looks very cool, actually. Why is it not like just it's a bit fast, you know, like it should be, maybe it's about this. It's like things are falling down and then it gets fast and then all of a sudden it appears. Why does that happen? HSL color conversions sometimes act up a bit. I want to like have it like more smooth. I want to start seeing the input box and everything while, you know, during like at the end of the animation I want to see them. So how can I make that? Start with interpolation linear. Oh, okay. Linear. Let's try that. Sorry, I didn't really see that. I was kind of blind to that, but thanks for pointing that out. Maybe it will be better now. Nice. Let me run it again. Quad out. And what are the like differences between these actually? I need to probably read up a bit. And why is it like black? Like it goes to black after some point. So I think I like the linear one better. Linear, yeah, make it linear. They are visualized in the tweens example. Let's run it. Let's run the tweens. Well, I don't have the latest repo, but I can probably just clone it somewhere. 1 second. Let's clone it. Okay. Oh. Actually, just that one. As for the black, make sure that the background has a style with background set. So, okay, I think I get what you mean. So we want to... okay, so block bordered, let me... Style, new. Which is default, and then background, color, blue. Maybe this will look better, I don't know. Cell has a style with background set. 1 second, I want to try something. Yeah, okay. Well, it looked better, but okay, maybe black. Is this what you mean? Like set up background? Well, this looks good, but then it looks bad. Let me run the tweens example. Linear. Reverse, quad in, quad out. Oh, this is funky. Elastic in. Base colors versus your terminal. Try using RGB. Do you mean like using RGB here? Let's try this, maybe. What happens if I use RGB on here as well? I'm a bit like, okay, I don't understand how does the effect actually work. So I don't know how to like. Okay, so okay, what? That was weird. Okay. So you see what I'm trying to do? I don't want this thing to appear at an instant at the end, but I want to appear like I want this to appear very slowly. Like, look at this. You know? Is it like, do I have to use this coalesce thing? Is this the expected behavior, or am I doing something wrong here? I want to try out the elastic. That looked very funky. Elastic in, yeah, elastic in. Let's try this. Again, that was not satisfying. Try parallel. Oh, good idea. I forgot that was a thing. Okay, parallel. Blue. Okay, let's try this actually. I think the coalesce thing is super, like, it's slower than the other one. Then wrap prolonged start on the coalesce effect. What is that? Prolong start. Creates an effect that prolongs the start of another effect. I see, so it will wait for... Okay, let's try it actually. Very nice API, by the way. That's neat. I'm gonna make it like 1 second. And it's gonna wait for 3 seconds, I guess, because this thing takes 3... Oh, maybe let's do it like 2 seconds. Let's run it now. NVRS update, GitLab support already in the upstream. Key file almost finished. Very nice. I've just missed what okay, let's see. That's sick, man. That's what I wanted. Very nice. I didn't know that there was a prolonged start. I didn't read the docs, sorry. I want to make this thing look a bit better though. Maybe making this blue would be nice. Will run the effects, processing the timer, causing the effect to be locked into its initial state. Okay, gotcha. What happens if I don't set the background? You didn't read the fucking manual again. My bad. I think it looks good. I'm not sure about the, like... Is there a... okay, maybe reset? What happens now? Okay, style, reset. There's also prolong and can be used when you do a fade out. Gotcha, okay. But the manual in this case is pretty poor too. Man, I have a wish list of TachyonFX things that I want to see. First one, like I want to see like a simpler, like, for example, in the effects module, you might add like some documentation here about the available effects and like a very short, GIF with a like example code snippet. That would be so helpful. And yeah, I guess that's my only wish. If you do that would be sick. Because like look at the Ratatouille. Do we have something like that, by the way? Probably not though. We don't have that too. But look at the... what was the project? 1 second. Yeah, IOCraft. Look at IOCraft and what they do. They have like, okay, they don't do it. Okay, maybe bubble tea. Okay, guys, we're going into the Go realm now, but whatever. Maybe bubble tea has it, or maybe bubbles. I think they have it in bubbles. So look at this. Yeah, this is what I meant. A list looks like this. File picker looks like this. Timer help. We have that thing in Ratatouille as well, but I need to find it. I think it's in the website, but you see, like that, you get the idea. I'm doing fine, Erangazi. How are you doing? We're just chilling. I want to use a black background maybe. Yeah, it's not bad. What happens if I use black here too? No. Magenta. I don't know how to... Alright, guys. Translate. Come on. How do I pronounce this? Magenta. Alright, magenta. Don't judge. I'm not a native speaker, alright? We're just learning. It's the grind. Hell yeah. Maybe magenta background will be more majestic. Which editor are you using? Is it NeoVim with tabs? So I'm using... yeah, I don't like the color here. 1 second. Dark. Is there a dark magenta? No. Green. I'm using NeoVim and I'm using Zelish for the tabs. I don't like the color, man. I want to have nice green color hex RGB. Let's see what we have. Jungle green. Let's go with this one. Okay, not bad, but maybe at a foreground color black, maybe, I don't know. I'm just trying to make this thing as trippy as possible. Yeah, okay. Why are you sad? Alright, I'm just gonna take this back, dude. I think blue was okay. Alright. I think I'm happy with how it looks now. No, not really. 1 second. Okay, this should be good. What happened, Adrian? Why are you sad? Alright, test. Cool. So now we have. I can always polish it later, you know? I wanna quickly hook this up to the actual pinentry, but I don't know if it's going to be easy or not. This is something. This will be something that is going to show a prompt, and then when you press enter, it will just send the input to somewhere else, right? So get pin, and yeah. Let's take a look at pinentry TTY. It's C, of course. Actually, maybe there's a pinentry server in Rust. We can just maybe reuse that. Yeah, this is the protocol. But this is not handling the. This is the client. Is there a Asuin? I don't know how to read it. There isn't a Asuin post. Sequoia GPG. This is going like I don't like where this is going, man. It provides the RPC interface using the Asuin protocol. Oh man. I just wanna have, okay, client. No, this is client 2. Alright, let's take a look at the pinentry TTY C file. Okay, what is this? Oh my god. Just reading C code now. Great. Oh man, what's this? This is ancient. When was the last commit? Okay, last year. Not that bad. Guys, what do we do? Are you reading the code backwards? Yeah. I mean, I thought that the main function would be at the bottom. It is. So I was not really reading. Guys, what are we gonna do? Copy the row contents. Pull up ChatGPT, paste that shit, rewrite in Rust. Let's go. Is that it? Not sure if this is the best idea. Guys, it worked alright. But I'm not sure if I'm... Okay, so what is this? TTY. Opens the TTY, right? I guess. How does this work actually? Let me run it. Pinentry TTY. What was it? Get pin. Test. Alright, that worked. But how does the other binaries actually interact with this? How does the real binaries actually interact with this? I'm curious about... You're on Control V away from success. YouTube died, I thought it was your stream. My stream also dies sometimes, but I guess now it's fine. GPG. Man, I hate this. GNU PG agent. So pinentry program. I'm gonna change this to pinentry program and user bin pinentry TTY. So what happens now if I try to sign something? How do I sign something with GPG? GPG sign something. Oh, GPG sign file. Okay, it should be just touch X and then GPG sign X. Okay, now we have the prompt, but this is not the prompt that I want actually. I want to restart the... Oh my god. GPG agent restart. I don't remember the commands, alright? GPG sign kill. Oh, I hate GPG, man. What is this API? Okay, now it asks me for the passphrase. And it's the TTY one, right? Okay, so get pin, not get pin, but what was the command actually? Okay. Maybe it's running get pin. Okay, one Control C away from success. So let's actually try to get that thing. You can symlink your agent to USB pinentry. That's usually what it's doing when installing. What? Wait. Symlink your agent to pin. Okay, wait a second. Pinentry. Agent pinentry. We should really get rid of these GPG ancient things, man. So many things that I don't understand, and it feels so old school, if that makes sense. Pinentry Arch Linux, let's see. GNU PG Pinentry. Okay, I guess I can just wait. This is a good start. I'm just gonna copy this. Pinentry RS. No, I mean the default pinentry is usually set by symlink. Oh, gotcha. All right. I thought you meant like symlinking the agent. But yeah, that makes sense. So mod pinentry. Is this working? It's importing libc. Well, this seems fine. I only need to add libc to it, and then the universe will crash probably. Cargo add libc. I don't know why it requires libc. Like, why? I didn't even read it. TC get attribute. STD signal. There's no signal in signal. Why do you need the signal? It's not even being used. Okay. Okay, nice. So pinentry new, pinentry run. Let's try it. And just return early because I want to test this out first. And remove the main function from there. So what happens when I run it? It will run some... I don't know what this is, but it's probably... Okay, how? Why is it not importing anything? Okay, make it public. Make it public. Public. No, or maybe not. Now it should be fine. Pinentry, let's import it. Run is private. Public. Okay. I trust you, ChatGPT. Let's go. Why is it not importing anything? Did I say that? Sometimes my brain is fried. Okay, what happens? Am I in pinentry now? My terminal is entirely fucked. Just reset that. It runs and there's no like loop or anything, right? Implement confirmation logic here. Implement password input logic here. Read password. So it should read from the std in, right? Let me print something. I don't know, this code is super weird. Isn't there a premeasure? Yeah, I just returned from that because I want to test out the pinentry stuff. Just for testing. It's there. So it asks for the password and then like it dies. I don't know why. Also, I don't understand why this is... How does this actually work? Like there's this pin thing and... Yeah, let me set this to true. Okay, now it actually reads the password. But actually what are the stuff that it's running from libc, or like what are these? Termios. What is this? I don't think these are needed, but let's put this thing in our pinentry config and see how it works. So it should be cargo, target, debug, and pinentry Ratatui, and then restart the agent. So what will happen if I run this? Nothing. Just oh, what? Where's the pinentry thing? And how can I debug this? GPG variables logging. One second. Variables. Yep, that works. So just dash we. Yeah. I don't know, man. Pinentry server. There was a... what was it? There was one pinentry which Transistor kind of shared. One second. Let me find it. He shared it on Discord somewhere. Was it like a pinentry or just a script? Pinentry fuzzle. Pinentry fuzzle. Gotta hit this tag. Good night. Yeah, Junk Dog, Adrian, thanks for tuning in. It was quite fun. Thanks for helping me make the effects, and thanks for creating TachyonFX. Really cool stuff, man. Have the best night ever. Goodbye. Alright, so this is a pinentry. Oh man, this is quite simple. It just reads the command. Okay, you know what? I think I can debug this by just panicking on the arguments. I mean something like this. So panic. Man, I'm so smart. Args. Okay. I'm not really smart. What is going on? Yeah, just I don't know, just debug them, whatever. Alright, so now it will panic on the arguments, right? Cool. Now we have a chance to actually debug this. Let's see. Test. What? It's not panicking. Where's my pinentry, dude? Okay, I need to just clone this maybe and figure it out. I was AFK for a second. What are we doing, chat? Nothing, man. I'm just losing my mind over here. What is fuzzle, by the way? It's a Wayland thing. Okay, so if I print something, maybe I'll figure it out that way. I'm trying to understand how GPG agent is calling this pinentry program. basically. Nothing unusual then, yeah. What the hell is going on, man? Let me try to run this directly. It panics, and one GPG agent is running this. Nothing happens, like what? Okay, signing failed, no pinentry, cool. I need to debug that though. Signing failed, no pinentry. I'm gonna debug that. I need to debug that. Come on. Yes, I know pinentry and curses and stuff like that, but come on. Signing failed, no pinentry. About this script, I'm gonna try to use this script in here. So something like, guys, by the way, I'm getting super sleepy right now because yeah, I'm gonna go actually in a couple of minutes, but let me try to understand this first. So what happens now? It should be executable though. What am I doing? Okay, so that's that, and kill the agent, try to sign again. Pinentry launched. That's something good. I don't know how did it launch though. Like what happens when I run this script? Okay, please go ahead. Maybe I need to print this first. Okay, no way, dude. If that's the reason, that would be so weird. Oh my god. Maybe that's the reason though. Pinentry is weird. Okay, so take that back. Restart the agent. Signing failed. Broken pipe. We slowly progressing. Maybe instead of println, do something like write ln, or just write ln to std out. Broken pipe means pinentry exited. Okay. Okay, so that's super hard to debug. What? Okay, so I have an idea. std write to file create, and in here I want to write it to pinentry Ratatui and test here, just just the arguments. This should not work though, it should be fs right. And this should be something like that. Okay, content should, okay. Or maybe just path new. Okay, that will work. So now if I build this and kill the agent, run it again, go to my, okay, test. Hell yeah, we got the pinentry argument. Not very useful though. Okay, so how do I return the password? What is logger? It's read command and rest. So is it like piping via std in? If that's the case, that's super easy. Like, okay, so let's actually do that. Buffer string new and then stdio. Yeah, just read line and then write that line into that file. Yep. And here, just restart it. See if we get anything from that. Option no grab. Okay, so it's actually writing things via std in. What we need to do is we just need to loop this thing. Loop. Maybe like 5 times. How can I do that? Four. Yeah, just read 5 commands. And something like that. Let contents. Is there like append option here? Okay, let's do it the old way, okay? Let pad. Okay, 6 times. It's fine. It's fine. 6 times, okay too. I'm just a noob on these for loop stuff, man. Sorry, my bad. And no, this is not correct. It should be pad and stdfs read to stdfs read to string, and should be something like get the contents. I don't know, guys. It's just, I think it's gonna work this way. Of course, you can make the code better. What was going on? Read a string, okay. Just path. And also handle the error. Alright, so let's see what the GPG agent is writing into our thing. Okay, 6 times. We got it. Got the stuff. Just option no grab, what? Just hangs there. Can't be just option no grab. Is it broken again? What did I do? Just reading lines from... Test. Okay. Yeah, we have them here. So why is it not doing anything? Do I need to restart the agent again? Okay, and option no grab. What is option no grab? Whatever. Oh, is it something like... Oh my god. Do I need to just print something? Like okay? Oh my god, I think that's the reason. Println just okay. Wow. So I think that's the reason. Hold on. So test okay, test okay. Oh, okay, so this might actually work now. Nice. You look into test. All right. Option no grab. I guess that's the TTY, like the terminal that reads password thing. Option. My man Transistor just corrected you all in the chat. Shut your ass up if you don't know Rust. Sorry. Okay, so we will get all the commands now, I guess. Kill agent. Right, let's see all the commands. Oh, it didn't work. What happened? Oh, what? Test. That would be great. Yeah, I'm super tired too. I don't know why I'm still here, to be honest. I need to go to bed, but I'm stuck here because I want to make this thing happen actually, but I feel like, you know, after some point while you're coding, you just like, you cannot stop. I feel like that right now. Like, I don't know, man. Okay, sign it. Pinentry launched. Now we got actual data now. Alright, these are all the commands that pinentry sends. Nice, so we just need to parse them and show them on the TUI, and that's it. Like, yeah, this project is done, guys. I'm gonna do this tomorrow though, not today. But we kind of figured it out. These are all the commands. All good, man. Nice. So yeah, just parse them, show whatever you get in the TUI, and then when you enter the password, send back the password, whatever that is. Maybe it's probably just pin and then whatever the passphrase is, and then it will work fine. So I will actually replace pinentry and cursors with the Ratatui one soon. That's awesome. I like it. Guys, I'm really done. I'm super tired, and if you want to know the real reason why I was late to do the stream, you Should I tell it to you? I don't know. I don't know if anybody's watching right now. So I'm just gonna close these terminals. Because I was actually reading the pinentry documentation. No, just kidding. Alright. Good enough. I'm done. Get out of my face these tabs. I like the blog post though. I'm watching right now. Adam, you're my homie, man. Love you, man. Love your tools. Love the NVRS. By the way, can you create a new release? Because I want to try out. Maybe after you finish the work, create a new release. No rush. No rush. I'm just gonna close all these tabs. Alright. Guys. Super tired right now. It's almost 2 a.m. I don't actually too late. Like I should have just go to bed 2 hours ago. Like, god damn it. But I sacrificed the timeline for a good cause today. Tomorrow, gotta wake up at 8. Go to my 9 to 5 job at McDonald's. So we're grinding, man. We're grinding, you know. I wish you guys a very good night. I'm personally gonna sleep like a rock, not even moving. Nerd sniped yourself. Oh man. Yeah, probably. Yeah, god damn it. I don't know what else to say. Guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm like genuinely sorry because I didn't make it in time, but I didn't want to, like, yeah, there are like no excuses. Fuck it. I'm sorry. I'll make it up to you. I don't know. Make up to you. Goodbye, everybody. I'll catch you on Discord if you wanna. Nice purple gopher by your head. It's not gopher. It's rofer. It's rust because I took it from a Rust conference. If you wanna join the Discord, here my Discord link. As always, I'm gonna plug the Discord. You know what I'm saying. I'll check out my latest video. That shit's banger. You know what I'm saying. And I'm done. See you tomorrow, probably. See you on socials and everywhere. I'm out. Guys, I'm dying, alright? Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Take care. I'm slowly descending. This is where I sleep, by the way. I sleep on the floor. It's very convenient. But I need to work again, I just ascend and then, look, not this, okay. Fuck. Guys, it was a pleasure. Have a great night, alright? Take care, bye.